Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about the slips. What is a slip and what are the different types of slips? We will discuss. So after viewing our video, if you like, please subscribe. So these are the different types of slips. As you see here, by seeing also you can notice that the different shapes. So different colors you see here. Here there is a orange color is there, red color, and this is like a gold color outside of the these strips. This is orange color. So what is this slip and what is this slip and what are the different difference between these all slips is, or you see above two are having only three shapes. Those are called wedge shapes. 1 2 3, there are three segments only. 1 2 3, only three segments are available. But here you see there are number of segments are available here, like 1 2 3. By continuing you will get 21 23 24 like that. So the difference is here majorly segments. Here only three segments are available. Here only three segments are available, but here you see here more than three. Like maybe I'm telling an example, maybe 11 segments or maybe 25 segments, depends upon the whatever the drill collar we are using, or maybe drill pipe, depends upon that we are selecting the slip. So these two are we are using for the either maybe a drill pipe or maybe a heavy weight, these two above two. But here the bottom you see this these two slips we are using for drill collar or casing. We don't know which one we are using for the casing and which one we are using for the drill collar. So but they both are look like a same. Now we will see what are the differences. Before going to describe about the differences, what is the slip? You see here it hold the whole string weight in a place, acting as a wedge. So generally these slips insets are changed depends upon the size. The position of the string above the rotary and let it stop completely. So put the slips into the bowl and gradually shift the string weight from the elevator to the slips. So the whenever we are releasing from the load from the elevator, at that time we will place the slips. So the here you see generally you see three segments, right? Sorry, not segments, three wedges. So here then left side wedge they are removed, they dismantled, and they are showing the different parts of that wedge. You see here this is you see here there are dovetail slots. There are slots are available to put these insets, and this is flexible handle in yellow in yellow color. Slip left side this is, and these are the hinge pin with quarter pins which are used to place this wedge into this center portion. Whenever there is a repair, at that time they will dismantle and they will change these insets. These insets depends upon the insets maybe wearing, any problem, at that time they will remove these insets and they will replace with a new one. So that is the purpose, and these are the different parts of the slip. This is what the drill pipe slip or maybe heavyweight drill pipe slip segment. It's a right side. You see this is a slip segment right side, this is a left side, it is the center one. This is the information about the drill pipe slip. And you see here the difference is here segments are available. Here segments are available. So how many segments are available here? We can calculate by approximately 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that. So those are the segments. These are handles. This is center handle. This is the left segment and right segment, and in center one is the intermediate segment. Similarly, as like that, the brief before slip, this is also having some insets. These insets, whenever they are wear, at that time we will remove and we will replace with a new insets. And this is, you see, this is for casing. This is for casing, very very important. Not we are generally we use these slips at that time of casing job only we will use. Here you see 1 2 3 4, almost it have 4 handles. These are flexible handles. And here you see, here these are what the you see in black color, there is a round shape. Those are like buttons. These are used for gripping purpose. This is intermediate segment. In segment there are retaining button inserts. These are button inserts, they will be placed. So this is information about the casing slip. Next we will see, then you will know what is casing slip and drill collar as well as drill pipe. This is also a drill collar slip. This is a drill collar slip. The major difference is here in between the casing slip and the drill collar slip is the gap. This is the gap. These segments, these button shaped segments are not continuous to up and down. There is a small gap is available. So this type of slip, wherever you see, this is for only drill collar slips. This is also what type of slip it is. It is a drill collar slip. It is a drill collar slip. What type of slip it is a? It is a casing slip. It is a casing slip. And what type of slip it is? A drill pipe slip. So thank you guys, thanks for viewing our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share. Thank you.